In this exercise, we'll compute compound interest. The Suarez family invests $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 4.9% compounded monthly. How much is in the account after 3 years? We'll use the formula for computing compound interest. That formula is A, the amount in the account, is equal to the principal P times 1 plus R over N, where R is the interest rate and N is the number of compounding periods in each year. And that's raised to the power N times T, where T is the length of the investment. So let's make the substitutions. We know that the principal is $10,000. We'll substitute that for P times 1 plus the interest rate R of 4.9% over N, the number of compounding periods, and this investment is compounded monthly, so that means there would be 12 compounding periods in each year. So we substitute 12 for N here and up in the exponent. And for T, we substitute 3 because we're interested in the amount in the account after 3 years. Now let's write 4.9% in decimal notation first. I'll write it as 0.049. And we can multiply 12 and 3 in the exponent and get 36. Now this is a computation we would do on a calculator. And when we did the computation, we would find that A is approximately equal to $11,580.07. And I've rounded the number that I got in doing the computation to the nearest hundredth, which is to the nearest cent. So we would say that $11,580.07 is in the account after 3 years.